Your next car could be the 2022 Ford F-150. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, trailer hitch. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.